My name's Darren Fletcher. I'm Head of Security Sales at Rydal Group. We're here today in Middleton Cheney near Oxford, installing an Ultron pole with a 4K pan-tilt and zoom, actually Hikvision's top-rated pan-tilt and zoom. Middleton Cheney are a customer of Rydal Security. We actually do their parish council building. And they actually approached us because they had a lot of antisocial behaviour, county lines, drug dealing in and around the park, and also they had a park bench here set on fire. From here we can actually see most of the park and the surrounding areas, and we can get pretty much every access point in and around the park. So what we chose the Hikvision 4K pan tilt and zoom. This has a 42 times optical zoom and actually has a 500 metre infrared range. So we can pretty much cover all of this park and pretty much every access area coming around here. It will store onto a network recorder inside the pole, which will give them around 30 days worth of recording. That is then attached to a 4G antenna, so they can watch it all remote and collect the footage as and when, and of course control it via the Hik Connect app. If you'd like any more information on an install like this, or perhaps pan tilt and zooms, or you've got troubles in your areas, then please give us a call on 01733 511 116. You can either speak to myself or one of the telesales team, and they'll put you in contact with myself. Thank you very much.